Hello everyone, this is Ram Sandikar. Welcome to all in Java programming workshop. So in this session we will discuss about how to write a Java program, how to compile a Java program and how to execute the Java program. So while writing a Java program, for writing a Java program I need an editor. So uh, let me open an editor. So here I am using a Notepad++ editor to write a program. So now first of all, we write our steps what we want to perform. So first, always better to give a name to your file first and save your file. So let me give a name to my file, save as and give a name to a sample. Name of my file is a sample, and whenever we want to save a Java source file, at that time the extension of that file should be a .java. Extension of file should be a .java. So here select .java extension. The name of my file is a sample file, and I'm going to store this file in E drive, where in E drive I have a folder, example folder. So in example folder I will save my file, which is a sample.java file. This is my source file. So we have to perform a 3-step here. First one, how to write a program in Java. Second one, how to compile, and third one is how to run or execute the Java program. Fine. So now understand, from this session you can understand that these are the comment lines. This is your single comment lines. Here by giving this slash you can give a comments to your Java code, which are the non-executable lines. Later we will learn all things. So first just let me explain you how to write a code, how to compile the code, and how to run the code. So first let me define a class. Then after that, the name of my file I will give as a sample, then sample, then define, after defining a class, define a main method. Signature of main method in Java is public static void main, the string args. Okay, later in the next session we will learn about all this concept, what to mean by public static void main. So this is just to give an example how to compile the code, how to execute the code. So first of all we need to write the code. The system.out.println, system.out.println to print a message. This statement we use to print a message in a Java, welcome user. Fine. This is a message I want to print on a screen. Then okay, close. Now save your file. Now the first step is complete, how to write a program in Java. Open an editor and start to write your code according to your problem statement. Now after that you have to compile the code. To compile your code, let me open a command prompt. So go to the command prompt, open a command prompt. So I have saved this file in the E drive, so let me access a E drive. So now E drive, in E drive I have a folder example, so I will go to the example folder. Now here first one, now understand, suppose I want to compile a Java code. So how to compile a Java code? So to compile the Java code, we have to use a command which is called as java c, then file name with extension .java. So this is a command we will use to compile our Java source file. Java c, Java compiler, file name .java. So in our case, what is the name of our file? The name of our file is a sample. So here java c sample.java. Now press enter key. You have not received any message that indicate that your source code is successfully compiled. Now go to the folder. Let me go to this folder here, example folder. Now inside the example folder you can find out that sample.java. What is sample.java? Is our source code file, and sample.class is a .class file which is created after the compilation of the code. This file got created after the compilation of your Java code. So here I have compiled my Java source code. So again, so to compile a Java code, we have to write a command javac, execute a command javac file name dot java. Now how to run the command, how to run the Java code. So to run the Java code, what we have to use? We have to use a command java, then file name, java and file name. So name, file name here, not with the extension, just java file name. So go to the command prompt, hit a command java, file name is sample, right? The file name is a sample. Now enter. You got the message, welcome user. So in this way we can write the program in a Java, we compile that program in a Java, and then third one is we run the Java program. Fine. So now again we will see some another most important point, like how to know the version of Java compiler. Java compiler. Fine. So simple. Go to the command prompt, run the command javac minus version hyphen version. So when you hit this, when you press enter key, you will get javac 1.8.0241. this is Java 1.8 is installed. And now to check the Java interpreter, so Java then version. So here Java version is your runtime environment, Java runtime environment is 1. So remember one thing, this should be a match, Java compiler and your Java version should be a match. So always try, always check whether what is your javac compiler version and your Java runtime environment version, it should be a same. Fine. So in this way we can write a Java code. Now we will try to understand a structure of Java programming language. Fine. The structure of Java programming language. So in the next video we will see, the next session we will see how to what is exactly structure of Java programming, and what is the meaning of this public static void main, what is system.out.println. So we will see in the next session. Fine. Thank you so much for your time.